Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. Today, we're going to look at how to tag someone in a Facebook post fast. So, to start with, navigate to your Facebook account, either the homepage or your profile, and then you're going to click on what's on your mind. So, we're going to create a post where we're going to tag people. So, you could write in your text when you want to tag people, you're going to go down to the little person tab that says tag people. Click on that, and then suggestions will come up. And if you can't see the suggestion, you can write in the name, and from there you can click on the person you want to tag. When you're done, you click on done, and from there you can see that person is going to be tagged in this post. So you can tag multiple people, or if that's okay, you can click on post, and then that will go out on your Facebook page and the person will be notified. There's another way you can do this. I'm just going to show you that now. So I'm just going to delete that. So say you want to create a photo post. So I'm going to create a new post, and then I'm going to upload a photo. So maybe you've got like a photo with friends, and you, after going on a night out, or maybe you're on the night out and you want to tag people. So you can upload the photo, click on edit, and from there on the left hand side you can see tag photo. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click on people's faces. Then I can search for the person here and tag them. So I can do that for multiple people. And when that is done, I'm going to click on down on the left hand side, and those people will be tagged, and you can post that and they will be notified that they are tagged in your post. I hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.